How to sign in into Liberty Bank mobile banking. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to sign in into Liberty Bank mobile banking. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the Liberty Bank's official website www.libertybank.com. Once you are in the home page, look for the sign in button, tap on it. This kind of the interface pops up. Here, you will need to enter your username in the first field and password in the second field. Username and password are given by the bank itself. You need to enter their credentials. If this is your first time, then you need to enter or verify your identity with the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Once your details are entered, tap sign in or login button. You have successfully logged in into your Liberty Bank account. From here, you can check balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and much more. Thank you for watching the video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks like this. See you in the next video.